Hi friends, we are going to see about cloud security and its concepts. Shall we start? This is our agenda for today's session. We will see about general information security concepts and what are all the threats for cloud and we can handle them. First, let's see about information security concepts. CIA threat is one of the key concepts in information security. CIA is confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Confidentiality ensures that your data is confidential. Unauthorized users cannot access it. Integrity ensures that your data remains as it is. No unauthorized users can change your data. Availability ensures that your data, services, apps are always available to users. Next information security concept is AAA. Authentication, authorization, auditing. We'll see in detail. Authentication, as you all know, is the process of identifying an individual, usually based on a username and password. Some other forms of authentications are secure PIN, biometric, etc. Authorization, even though you are authenticated by an application, you should be authorized to access some data. For example, normal users are not authorized to access, modify admin's data. Auditing is the process of going through all the activities in your infrastructure, keeping track of what has happened. In case of any attack, you can go back and find out the issue easily. Encryption is commonly used to secure your data. It is the process of converting data to a form that can be used in meaningful manner only if you have specific knowledge. Defense in depth is a mechanism which uses multiple security measures to reduce the risk of security threats. Say if security is compromised in application level, we have security in data layer in where it will protect the data. Traditional security versus cloud security. This is traditional data center approach. Here all your servers, applications, storage are collocated in a single multiplication location that is limited to that organization. In cloud data center approach, in case of private cloud, it is only limited to your organization. But in case of public cloud, it is spreaded geographically. You might be seamlessly using without knowing where your data is. And also you have mobile apps which are trying to access cloud. It's more complicated than traditional data center. You need in-depth security. Cloud infrastructure landscape, public cloud. More than one organizations are using public cloud. Cloud service providers are responsible of maintaining storage, server, network and all the resources in public cloud and making sure that when requested the resources are available to you. Your user does not know who are all sharing the cloud. In case of private cloud, it is restricted to particular organization. The entire infrastructure is restricted to one enterprise. There are not multiple enterprises using the same cloud. Hybrid cloud is where keeps in mission critical data, where very important data in private cloud, but not so important data might have been moved to public cloud. So combination of private and public cloud, which is hybrid cloud.
Created using Powtoon.